Saif-ul-Muluk, a journey to Pakistan's enchanted paradise. There are places on this earth that don't just exist, they call to you. Places so mystical, so untouched, that they feel like a dream. Welcome to Saif-ul-Muluk, a hidden paradise cradled in the mighty Himalayas of Pakistan. To reach this haven, one must embark on a journey that is both a challenge and a reward. The winding roads of Kaghan Valley test your patience, but with every turn, the world unfolds like a painting, and then there it is. You have arrived at a place where time stands still, where the sky meets the earth, and where reality feels like a fairy tale. But Saif-ul-Muluk is not just about beauty, it is a land of legends. They say that long ago, a prince named Saif traveled across lands, searching for the love he saw in his dreams. A fairy of unmatched beauty, Badrul Jamal, lived here, hidden from the eyes of the world, and under the moonlight of this very lake, their fates intertwined. Even now, as the night deepens and silence falls, some say you can still hear whispers in the wind or catch a glimpse of something otherworldly dancing on the lake's surface. But this journey is not just for dreamers. It is for those who seek indulgence in nature's lap. Imagine sipping a cup of saffron-infused Kashmiri chai, wrapped in the warmth of a traditional shawl, as the stars above tell their own stories. And for the adventurous soul, the journey doesn't end here. Trek beyond the lake, embrace the crisp mountain air, and chase the thrill of the unknown. As the first rays of sunlight touch the lake, the world awakens in gold. Saif-ul-Muluk is not just a destination, it is a story waiting to be lived, a legend waiting to be discovered. Let your heart wander, let your soul breathe, and let Saif-ul-Muluk leave its magic upon you.